That is the cheapest Porsche 911 in the country, and it's made it all the way to California from Boston, which is very impressive, but we're here for a good reason. This is one of KC Highlight's locations, and we're going to put something very special on top of the car. Let's do it. This is the Gravity Titan, and it is a brand new product from KC Highlights. It actually hasn't even come out yet, so I can't show you everything, but I will soon. But for now, we need to get this thing on top of the car to give it its rally look, because to be honest with you, our 25-year-old headlights are the dimmest thing in the world, and this should light up a ton of stuff. So, luckily, we have the KC guys to help us with the wiring, because I have no idea what I'm doing, but we need to figure out now how to mount this on top of the car, and as always, I never know what I'm doing. So it's not just the wiring that's the problem, but I will try to now get this on there. Good. Okay, so a while back, Yakima sent us these brackets. Now we don't know exactly if they're gonna work with this specific light bar, but we should be able to figure it out because these guys know how to do this more than I do. The first step is obviously to take the fairing off. That's done. Now we just need to get these on, relatively straightforward, and from there, we will find a way to get that on there. Whether it's drilling a new hole, finding an L bracket, it shouldn't be too difficult. We just need to do it, is the moral of the story. There's a slight dilemma. The brackets, as you can see, were originally intended to mount up here, which means the light bar would be all the way up top. Looks-wise, that doesn't really float our boat. So we're gonna go down here, which means we need to make some slight alterations to the brackets themselves, but I think it will give it a very cool look. I think you're gonna like that.
Yeah, that's gonna look super sick down there.
While the talented fabricators from KC started to make some custom brackets for the lights, I have to deal with another problem: getting power up to the lights and putting a switch in the car, which I definitely don't know how to do.
We want to wire the switch to the inside of the car so it actually looks cool and it's not just hanging off somewhere. So Will has found a good place for it, right over here, right by the pre-existing light switch. The only issue, we don't know how to get that panel off, so Will is on YouTube trying to figure it out.
YouTube mechanic.
He's a YouTube mechanic.
Shout out Dan T.
Thank you, Dan T on YouTube, for making a video on how to do this. Otherwise, we'd have no idea. So let's get this little panel off, get the new switch in, and we should hopefully have the wiring figured out. Oh gosh, I don't like this one bit.
Not either. Something's going on.
Something, this feels wrong.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Messed up these fins in this vent.
Okay, yeah, so these fins on the vent here, they are, oh gosh, it's so hard to see.
They destroyed them.
They're bad. That's all you need to know. The vents, they don't hold up well to fiddling. They broke on the road trip. Out of all the things that could have broke though, the key and the vent are really the least of my concern. The engine seems to be working fine. We still need to make it up to Monterey, which is like 5 hours, so hopefully I don't jinx myself by saying that.
Are you gonna start malletizing?
That's about right. Sometimes my genius is truly astounding. This is the professional method.
This looks professional.
We're professionals. Oh my gosh. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
That's fitment.
That looks good too. You guys wanna hire me?
Bravo, bravo.
The brackets are now pretty much on. It seems like new holes have been drilled to make them fit, and the light bar will now actually be able to go down below the rack itself. And now we got Randy wiring up the switch. Will very cleverly was able to get the switch in there with just some brute force and ignorance. Usually his specialty.
That's my method.
There's nothing better than brute force and ignorance.
With the switch wired up, we can connect the harness to the battery and then work on getting the lights installed so we can actually test them out.
All right, we got everything in position. Make sure the switch is in its neutral position, Jackson. All right, it works.
Oh, it does work perfect.
Nice.
So these are some now custom brackets that he has kindly bent for us and drilled new holes in. And now they should bolt on to these Yakima ones that we have completely not done the correct thing with, but it's gonna just look so much cooler this way. Again, the light bar was originally, if you did these the way that they're supposed to, it'd be up here, which isn't bad, but since this is a Porsche 911 Safari build, we kind of want a sleeker look, so we're going low, which will look very cool.
Very, very cool.
So these brackets should help us out, and we'll also even be able to get our fairing back on. even better.
With the light working and the brackets made, we just need to drill a few more holes and tighten everything down. And now the light is basically ready to go.
Thank you guys. You guys killed it. Oh yeah.
So cool.
Nice. Now obviously you guys can't see how cool the lights are because it's bright out.
You need to wait until nighttime for that, so let's go there. You don't have to wait, we have to wait, but 3, 2, 1. It's nighttime. What's up, guys? We are here at an undisclosed location, and right now, lighting me is the normal 996 headlights. And you might think those are bright, but let me tell you, I think what we're about to turn on is a lot brighter. We actually haven't tried them at night yet, so I will be quite curious. Will, what are your thoughts on these?
I'm nervous.
I'm gonna blind myself.
You wanna stand right there and I'll turn them on to you?
Oh gosh, sure. I'm so scared.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I think.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
My,
Oh, that's so bright.
that is the sun.
That's the sun.
Holy
Look at-
crap.
Oh, I can't even look at them.
It's so bright.
Oh my god.
These are crazy.
That's insane. Wow, that is actually, that is ridiculous.
I mean, it's daytime over there. It's hard to capture on camera.
That's so cool.
crazy.
Dude, we should put more on.
More lights.
We should put them on the back so people get a little mad behind us. We can just hit them with the full sun. That'll work on an off-road trail, I think. I think that will light our way.
We'll be able to
KC,
see.
that is bright, KC. Jeez. There's other stuff that this light bar can do, by the way, that we can't show you yet. And it's so cool. We'll be able to show you in the next couple months when this light bar goes live. But just this alone is nuts. That is so
Very
bright.
Insanely cool.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so guys.
I've lost eyesight.
So if you don't know, by the way, guys, we are now at Monterey Car Week. So make sure you're following us on all platforms. We got some cool stuff happening, right?
Subscribe, please. It's gonna be so cool. The car was at Monterey today, and it's just so cool here.
Yeah, also, if you guys want to meet us out here, definitely leave a comment down below. We were thinking about doing some sort of fan meetup. Shoot us a DM or leave a comment if you guys would be interested, because we'd love to meet all of you. I know I speak for both of us when I say that, and we'd love to show you guys the car because, well, we did build it for Jackson and his father, but we also built it for you guys because we want to show it to you. So,
Enjoy
yeah.
it. This person is probably wondering why the sun is turned on.
Yeah.
They were like, it's midnight, why is the sun
I
on?
thought it was in daytime, but over here, it's daytime.
Yeah, let me show you this. Get the camera near the front.
Okay.
All right, this is off. That's the regular headlights, that's nothing.
Yeah, there's literally nothing over there. Turn them on. Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's plenty of light. That's
Yeah.
plenty of light. You can
right,
see the air.
Subscribe. Follow, comment, like, all the fun stuff. We'll see you.
Peace.
Subscribe for Car Week stuff.